with the arc welding. Okay, the welding which are done into our workshop, it is a simple arc welding where we can join the two similar or dissimilar metal with the help of the third material which is known as the electrode. Okay, so there are several setup if we are observed into our workshop. How many type of setups are there? How Arup, tell me that one by one. How many type of setups are required for the arc welding? Arup,
Yes, sir.
tell me. Tell me how many type of setups are required for arc welding?
Sir, consumer types of two.
Tell me one by one.
Sir, electrode,
Okay.
uh, uh, না না ইলেকট্রন বললেন আরেকটা স্যার গ্লাভস বলেছিলেন
আরে কি কি ইনস্ট্রুমেন্ট দরকার হয় ওয়েল্ডিং এর জন্য, আর্ক ওয়েল্ডিং এর জন্য, যেটা আমরা ওয়ার্কশপে করেছিলাম? হরজিত,
Yes,
হরজিত,
sir. Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ হরজিত, টেল মি দ্য কোশ্চেন ইজ সেম।
Sir, step down transformer, sir.
Yeah, then
Or sir, electrode, sir. Electrode rod.
okay, okay,
Safety gloves,
safety,
gloves,
safety
gloves.
gloves. Okay, okay.
Sir,
Electrode
fillet.
holder are required
Filler. Sorry.
and G fixtures are required. Okay. First of all, requirement is that AC or DC machine, electrode holder, electrode, base material, beside the fixtures are required. Okay, these are the instrument. Behind them there are several safety precautions are needed. Okay, like hand glass, okay, eyeglass, etc., etc. This arc welding can be performed into our workshop also. Okay, into our first semester also, and whenever we are in second year, we are also perform the arc welding process. Okay, into our arc welding, the heat generation take place by an electric arc. We know that into the arc welding we can melt the base metal, and for the melting this base metal there are high temperature are required, and this high temperature produced due to the electric arc, and both workpiece and electrode are connected to different terminals of AC or DC supply. Normally, in generally, the transformer used into our workshop, that is a step down transformer. Why it is considered the step down transformer? Because into our workshop the main power supply are becoming 440 volt, and during to the our welding our requirement is that we can use as the 120, near about 80 to 120 volts are required. So that's why the step down transformer are required for the arc welding. And there is a small gap between the workpiece and the electrode is generated. Why the small gap between the workpiece and electrode are generated? Because into the small gap the third material can be deposited in between them and solidified and make a good joint. And during to the arc welding, the temperature can be generated up to 3600 degrees centigrade. There are several types of arc welding into our course, and there are several clarification of the arc welding. How many type of arc weldings are there? That is, the first one is the carbon arc welding. Second one, that is the shielded metal arc welding. Third of one, gas shielded arc welding, and last of one, that is plasma arc welding. There are four important type of arc welding which can be studied one by one. Okay. First of one, acha, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Acha, by the way, why you are all of you on acha, why you are all of you are not coming into the classes except Arup and Rajadatta? I am asking to everyone, why you are not attend the classes? Harjeet,
सर थोड़ा सा बिजी थे थोड़ा सा.
Harjeet,
यस सर. हेलो.
हर दिन बिजी रहते हो?
नहीं सर, थोड़ा सा
हाँ?
पापा को काम दे दिया थोड़ा सा, इसीलिए थोड़ा सा बैंक का.
हेलो,
सर बैंक का काम दे दे पापा, इसीलिए थोड़ा सा बिजी थे.
हर दिन बिजी रहते हो तुम?
नहीं नहीं सर, नहीं सर.
देखो एक बात हम साफ करते हैं, ऑनलाइन क्लास अगर 75% अटेंड नहीं करोगे तो एग्जाम में बैठ नहीं पाओगे।
ये सही है.
हर दिन बोलो रात আসতে রাতে আসতে अच्छा जस्ट ए मिनट अच्छा जस्ट ए मिनट हाँ प्लीज यू होल्ड ऑन 1 मिनट हाँ
ओके सर.
অরূপ রাজা দত্ত কোথায়?
রাজা দত্ত
হ্যাঁ,
ও গার্লফ্রেন্ডের সঙ্গে ঘুরছে মনে হয়।
ফোকাট ভাই নাম হচ্ছে ওর
কিসের?
একসেপ্ট রাজা দত্ত, অরূপ দত্ত।
না ও অনেকদিন করেছিল, মাঝখানে ছেড়ে দিয়েছে, তারপর আবার কি জানি কি করছে। ফোন করেছিল, ওকে লিংক পাঠালাম, কেন রিপ্লাই করলো না।
ও এখন বিজি।
ও এখন ব্লাউজ সেলাচ্ছে।
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Audible.
Acha, sorry for disturb. One phone calls are coming from the college. Okay. Acha, by the way, we are discussing about the carbon arc welding. It is a basically the carbon arc welding is a new process where electric is made of carbon. Electrics are soft and non-suitable for the high temperature, and electric consumption slowly and required to the filler metal. The arc is generated between the electrode and the workpiece, and there are generally DC supply is used for the electrode is negative and workpiece is on positive side, and it is used for the thick metal. It is a basic guideline of the carbon arc welding. Okay, we had discussed about the briefly regarding the carbon arc welding. Acha, by the way, one of the question arrive. Acha, there are several different type of welding process can be discussed into the previous lots of classes. So, there are any problem or any queries are there?
No, sir.
Acha. So it is a clear, na everything, because the course is very vast. That's why I
Mhm.
am repeatedly asked to you.
Yes,
If
sir.
any queries, then tell me. Okay. By the way, the carbon arc welding. The carbon arc welding is the earliest and the arc welding process.
Sir. Hello,
In
sir.
the arc welding, huh?
Hello, sir.
Okay. Okay. Please mute your
One question,
audio.
sir. So one question.
In this carbon, hello. What are you say? Tell me.
So one question. What is the difference between the soldering and brazing, sir?
Tell me.
What is the difference between the soldering
It
and
is a
brazing?
explain. It is a one. What is the difference between shouldering basing? What is the advantage and disadvantage of shouldering? What is the advantage, disadvantage, and basing? That should be everything are discussed into the two classes. Are you present these classes? Are you present this class?
No, sir.
Then, acha, Adoop and Raja Datta should be present, and I am sharing different slide behalf on them. And please, you can collect this slide.
Okay, sir.
After that any problem or arise, then you can ask me. Okay. Now, today we are discuss about the carbon arc welding. In carbon arc welding, the electrode is made of either carbon or graphite. in in the graphite electrode, carbon electrode are soft. If we compare the graphite electrode and carbon electrode, the carbon electrode are soft and therefore cannot take up very high current density. The arc with the carbon electrode is more controllable. Lower current also add to the higher electrode life. Through carbon or graphite electrode are not expected to melt as the consumable electrode. They do get heated to a red hot temperature because because of the heat from the arc, which cause a slow distinction of the electrode tip and also its oxidation. Okay, that is the two reason. This means that this electrode is slowly consumed. For use in carbon arc welding, the electrode should be uniform structure and as far as possible free from impurities. The life of a graphite electrode is higher than that of a carbon electrode. The life of a graphite electrode is higher than that of a carbon electrode. In carbon arc welding practices, the required filler metal is supplied through a separate filler rod. The arc can be obtained between the carbon electrode and the workpiece or between two carbon electrodes. Okay, shown in the figure, which are shown into your slide. In the twin carbon electrode system, there is provision for controlling the arc length. There is a provision for controlling the arc length by means of the adjusting wheel providing on the handle of the welding torch, whereby the electrode can be either brought in contact with one another or taken apart. Generally, a DC power supply with electrode negative is used for single electrode carbon arc welding to minimize the heat generation near the electrode side, so that the wear consumption of electrode is maintained at a minimum rate. The tip of the electrode is made conical. Mind it, the tip of the electrode is made conical. The typical current setting for the various electrode size are different. For the twin carbon arc welding process, an AC power sources is normally used. No special advantage derived from using a DC supply. Because of the separation of the heat sources from the filler metal, better control of heat input is possible. In case of carbon arc welding, okay, in case of carbon arc welding, the separation of heat sources from the filler metal, better control of heat input is possible. It is possible to weld a thicker plate to a thinner plate using twin carbon electrode welding by providing additional heat to the thicker plate before providing the filler metal and heating the joint. The major problem is the blowhole that are caused because of the turbulence associated with the DC power sources. Through carbon arc welding is not suitable to overhead or vertical welding position. Very high mechanized welding speed could be obtained by the process in the flat position. Okay, so that is the carbon arc welding.